Kareng Phangchopi was living at the residence of Roton Singnar, headmaster, for the purpose of attaining her education. Unfortunately, on 20th September, she lost her life mysteriously. But the family members of Kareng Phangchopi allege Roton Singnar to be the main accused behind her death. The repeated sexual assault of Kareng Phangchopi had consequently took away her life, says the family of the victim during a press conference called on 15 October. On 15th of October, the family members of Kareng Phangchopi, who lost her life mysteriously on 20th September at the residence of Roton Singnar headmaster Jopra Langsu, under the jurisdiction of Borpothar police station, called for a press conference. During the press conference, parents of Kareng Phangchopi alleged that Roton Singnar headmaster had repeatedly raped their daughter, consequently taking away her life on 20th September. And later, it was found out that Kareng Phangchopi was an expectant mother at the time of her death.
Nilituma so angjirapan nang cholang rem pidelo nang cholang rem pichot ancho takali apram tanang en pidek apo Kareng inuvet apram putakali delo nona bangki apilita apo padutuko.
It was informed that they had made a visit to their daughter early morning on the day of the incident. It was fine till then. But as sun goes down, they were informed by the wife of Roton Singnar that something had happened to their daughter. They rushed to check on her daughter and was immediately taken to the hospital. But sadly, the doctor declared dead. As there were no one to guide them, knowing nothing to do, they performed the last rites of their daughter. It was also informed that the person who raped their daughter, Roton Singnar, didn't came to attend the funeral. Only the wife had attended the funeral.
Bian pidet kan sitame apiso banan chidot sita Roton Singnar ke pati vek abang ke cholang rem vek abang ke awosopi apan mean ki pi hot sitame nang chitong dunde.
Family of the victim lodged an FIR against Roton Singnar at Borpothar police station on 11 October. Borpothar police station, acting upon the complaint, apprehended the accused Roton Singnar on 12 October and kept into custody at Borpothar police station. But the family of the victim expressed their displeasure and dissatisfaction over the imprisonment of Roton Singnar at Borpothar police station rather than sending him to district jail for imprisonment.
Singnar pansitame nep ingnang kon lo sita dipu central jara long ke piniani an sitame pon pi nilitum ke santip ladek Borpothar nang sinang pi PVR politi nilitum sitame pu jesong nang kok po.
Subhas Terang's report from Langchathing for Kareng Phangchopi Live.